y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this reversible satin bonnet. The first thing we're going to do is make our template. To make the template, you're going to need Posterboard. I get mine from Joann's in a pack of 5, but you can get it from anywhere. Next, you're going to take a ruler and you're going to place it at the corner of that Posterboard, and you're going to measure 12 inches. This is the measurement of the standard adult size bonnet. If you're making a different size bonnet, use the measurements that I have listed on the side. Next, you're going to move the ruler, making sure it's still lined up with that corner of the Posterboard, and make another mark. Next, you're going to keep moving that ruler and marking at 12 inches until you can see an arch starting to form. Once you can see the arch, you're going to take your marker and connect the dots. That way you're going to have a solid line. Now you're going to take some scissors and cut your template out. Since the Posterboard has 4 corners, you should be able to get 3 to 4 templates out of one piece. If you're making multiple templates, make sure to mark what size each one is. Now we're going to move on to constructing the bonnet. I'm making a reversible bonnet in this video, so I'm using 2 different colors of satin fabric. Make sure that your fabric is at least 24 inches by 24 inches. First, you're going to take one of your pieces of fabric and fold it in half. Then you're going to fold it in half the other direction as well. So you should have 4 layers of fabric at this point. Next, you're going to repeat this step with the other piece of fabric, and then you're going to lay them on top of each other. Now we're going to take our template and place it on top of that folded corner. I'm using pattern weights here to hold the template down, but if you don't have pattern weights, you can just use your hand. Next, I'm taking a fabric marker and I'm marking around the edge of that template. If you don't have a fabric marker, that's fine. You can just use your scissors and cut directly around the template. Once I was done marking, I took my scissors and I just cut everything out. I put the pattern weights on there just to make sure the fabric didn't shift while I was cutting. After that, you should have 2 circles. So we're going to open up that fabric and we're going to put it right sides together. Make sure that your fabric is shiny side down. Now we're going to sew our 2 pieces of fabric together. I use a 1/4 seam allowance. Once you're almost done sewing, make sure you leave about an inch opening. That way you'll be able to turn your bonnet right side out. Now that your bonnet's sewn together, you're going to take some scissors and trim your seam allowance. Now it's time to turn that bonnet right side out. Take your time when you're doing this because you don't want to rip your stitches. I've definitely done that before, moving too fast, so just take your time. Now that your bonnet's right side out, you're going to take an iron and you're going to iron it flat. This is going to help a lot whenever we do the channel for the elastic. Now you're going to do a 1/2 inch top stitch around the border. This is going to act as your channel for your elastic. The elastic that I'm using is 1/4 inch elastic, but you can use a thicker one if you prefer. For the elastic, I like to measure 2 inches less than my head circumference. My head circumference is 22 inches, so I'm going to cut a 20-inch piece of elastic. Next, you're going to take a safety pin. You're going to take that safety pin, open it up, and place it through one side of your elastic. After you've done that, you're going to take that safety pin, and then you're going to insert it into that hole we left open, as you can see it right here. Then we're going to push it through, guiding it with our fingers. During this process, you want to make sure that you hold on to one end of the elastic. If you don't, you may lose the elastic inside of the bonnet. Once all the elastics fed through that bonnet, you're going to take off your safety pin and then you're going to tie a couple knots. I like to do 2 to 3 knots, but you can do as many as you feel necessary. Now that that knot's tied, you're going to take your bonnet and you're going to stretch it out. This is going to ensure that that knot's not right at that opening and that the ruching is even among the bonnet. The last step is to close up that hole we left open. You want to pull the bonnet taut just to make sure the 2 pieces of fabric are flat. Then you're going to take it over to your sewing machine and sew it really close to the edge. And then after that, we're done. As you can see, this is the finished product. This is what the outside of the bonnet looks like, but when you reverse it, you can use it as well. I really like the way these two colors look together. I think they complement each other very well. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I plan on making weekly videos. Also, comment down below what you guys want to see me make next. Thanks for watching. Bye!